Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Wadzpay WTK. The reason why Wadzpay Chain got delayed. It's going to be a special video, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, this is not an official stance. These are my personal views of why it apparently got delayed, so you can agree or disagree with me. Anyways, guys, furthermore, if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems, we regularly discuss them. Then make sure to, if you're interested, then make sure to subscribe the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos, and you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon. So do check that out as well if you want to see the channel rolling for years. I mean, yeah. Anyways, guys, let us begin with the price of WTK at the time of the recording. Guys, let us check out the price here. So the currently WTK is up 2.35% for the day. The price is $0.02694. Like I told you guys, it is at crucial levels over here. Let me share with you the yearly chart. So yeah, this was a crucial support over here. Although it did a fake breakout to 0.02, 0.022, yeah, 0.022 almost, yeah. So since then it has rebounded. Now let's see if it comes back and tests these support levels again, or it goes up and tests these resistance levels at 0.028, 0.03, and beyond. Let's see what happens. But crucial levels, guys, crucial levels, and the upcoming AMA is also here, so anticipation is also building. But as as it is proven in the last AMAs, anything can happen. But this time around, I think that Anish might be giving us some positive news, and I'm not. I won't. I don't. Basically, I do not need some exaggerated news. I just need some clarity on what's happening and all of that stuff. I'm going to be trying and explaining that as well in this video, guys. So it's going to be an interesting video. The current market cap of Wadzpay is $13 million almost. So some crucial points, guys, and really low market cap for what it aims to do, apparently. So, guys, let me share with you guys this article from VARA, the official website of VARA, Government of Dubai Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority, and I'll try to decipher and decode why Wadzpay Chain has got delayed. So let us check this out. First and foremost, so VARA welcomes virtual asset firms to be regulated in Dubai. Cool. I really like what Dubai is doing. UAE is becoming this hub of digital assets, and Wadzpay basically functioning in Dubai is really good. It is far from SEC's reach, so this is good in my opinion. So check this out. This is basically the process where new firms can apply for a VARA license. Now let me share with you some technical points over here. So, applying for a VARA license is completed in two stages, guys. First, application for initial approval to establish a legal entity and to commence operational setup. Then, an application for the WASP license, guys. Now, Stage 1, the initial approval application. And let me remind you guys, this has been approved for Wadzpay. This is the video. Wadzpay takes a giant leap with initial approval from Dubai Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority. So, what Wadzpay has done, basically, this is the process. They initially have had to submit an initial disclosure questionnaire (IDQ) to Dubai Economy and Tourism or relevant free zone authority. So basically, they have submitted this questionnaire to the Dubai's authorities, the government. Provide additional documentation as required. Such documentations will include what? A business plan of what you're doing and details of the firm's beneficial owners and senior management. So in this case, Anish, Khalid, and all of those guys apparently. So the third point is pay initial fees, normally 50% of license application fee required to commence the application review. Cool. Check this out. Receive an initial approval to finalize the firm's legal incorporation and to complete operational setup, including office space rental, employee onboarding, and so forth. Now, this is the important note that I'm talking about and why Wadzpay Chain apparently has been delayed. Check this out. At this point, the firm is not permitted to carry on virtual asset activities, any virtual asset activities, basically. So this is the point where I think Wadzpay is at currently. And as they promised that the Wadzpay chain will be launched in Q4, they apparently thought that this process might be completed till that point. But obviously, guys, these are some complex stuff. Check this out, what they require and all of that. And sometimes governments delay. You guys know the government procedures, the red taping, bureaucracy. You might have read Max Weber. If you've read all traditional bureaucratic setup, you know about red taping that happens. Anyways, guys, let's go to stage 2. This is the virtual asset service provider license application. So basically, I think Wadzpay basically was working on this step in the last few weeks and months. Check this out. Prepare and submit documentation according to the guidance provided by VARA upon receipt of the initial approval. So you have to submit, Wadzpay had to submit documentation according to the guidance provided by VARA after the initial approval. Receive feedback directly from VARA on the submission, which may include meetings, interviews, and submission of further documentation. Pay remaining portion of application license fees and first year's supervision fees. Receive a WASP license, which may be subject to operational conditions. After that, I mean, you can basically provide services, virtual asset. You can conduct virtual asset activities. And guys, I read somewhere when I was basically reading these documents. I do not know where I read. It was here somewhere or in a document that if failure of compliance can mean imprisonment, even, guys. So these are really sensitive matters. And now let me take you to Anish's post over here as well. Let me share with you guys. Where is it? Yeah. So this is the MA that we are looking forward to, and I would want that he share what has happened. I mean, people do need to be a bit patient, but yeah, they need to be clear much more. They need to update stuff. Let me show you. Where was it? Yeah, I think there was this tweet over here. We'll be announcing an AMA soon to lay down the plan for 2024 and provide updates regarding Wadzpay Chain, market expansion, product, and licensing. We'll also include details on spillover, pending work streams from 2023. The work needed to be done in 2023 and it spilled over to 2024. Basically that. So yeah, this is the tweet. Wishing you and your family a happy and prosperous New Year 2024. We know that you are eagerly waiting for updates. I have quickly put together some updates on key pending items. First and foremost, the licensing. I was in Middle East last week of 2023 and we are putting all efforts to close this. Basically, they were working to close this in 2023, but it didn't happen. This should be in any time soon. This is regarding the Wadzpay chain. I saw some comments regarding private and public chain. The private chain is already live and will be used for Hajj and Umrah. So this year's Hajj and Umrah will utilize the private chain. This does not require to be licensed, basically. So Anish has clearly stated that this does not need to be licensed, especially the VARA license. And if they want to basically work in Dubai, they need to. Other regions do not need that license, but they want to basically launch it together when they're good to go with the Dubai government as well. The public chain is awaiting approvals. Parts of our public chain need to be licensed as it is meant to carry settlements. So if you look at the regulatory framework, providing services, all of this requires license, guys. It cannot be done without that license. And in my opinion, if Wadzpay had done it even means imprisonment if you do not comply by these rules. So these are my opinions, guys. I mean, I'm trying to connect the dots, but anything can happen, and this might not be the reason. We will know in the next AMA, but just trying to put stuff together, scope and applicability, marketing, no entity may carry out any VA activity by way of business or offer to do so in Dubai unless it is either duly authorized by WARA. So if you want to provide services, if you want to basically launch your chain and utilize it, basically you need to have that license to do that. So compliance and risk and all of that, lending, borrowing, exchange services, custody services, all of this requires WARA's full-time license and approval to do it. So licensing journey. This is the licensing journey, the fourth stage that we're talking about. Provisional permit, stage one. Stage two is the preparatory minimum viable product. Third is the operating minimum viable product MVP. And stage four, guys, this is the full market product license, guys. So this is a procedure in and of itself. This takes weeks and months, obviously. So now let us get down here and check out a few more posts by Anish to connect this together. So 2023 was a good year, but surely 2024 is where the upside will come from. Revenues, commercialization, licenses, Wadzpay Chain, and new markets. So check this out. This is January 31st. This week has been exciting and we have moved forward on all fronts. So this basically means that they basically might have completed the second stage that we're talking about. The second stage, which is this, or stage three maybe, they might have completed this, who knows, or maybe the entire thing. That would be awesome if it is announced in the AMA. But even if the stage two or three is completed, I'm fine with it, at least because these things take time. We'll be spending the next 2 weeks in the Middle East so we can have meaningful updates for the upcoming AMA. So in the next AMA, Wadzpay Chain will definitely be discussed and things will be clear as to what is happening behind the scene, what has happened in 2023, and what they aim to do in 2024. When is the license? When they are expected to get the license and all of that stuff. So, guys, in my opinion, this was the prime reason, and these were the reasons why Wadzpay Chain launch got delayed. So this was it for the video. If you liked it, yeah, by the way, share your comments as well in the comment box below to let the community know about stuff. And if you agree, disagree, and you can share your opinions as well. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems, then hit the notification icon as well for regular videos. And guys, you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon if you want to see the channel rolling for years to come. So, and if you're interested, do check it out. Like I always say at the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.